Just so I'm trying to figure out the map still, basically, on this RayCast.JS FPS I'm still trying. I don't know. I don't even know. I really need to plan out what the game is actually going to aim is going to be. Is it going to be a shooting game, which would be the obvious thing. But maybe I could do a exploration game or something. I don't know. I just need to get a map done first, figuring out how it works. So I'm going to do the obvious thing and Google for how to make a map. Trying to figure out how to actually create it with a. It looks like it's done with array, so. No, I have to do it in a certain way. However this works. I still don't quite get it. Oh god, I think we'll get the cold. Oh, bless me. Oh. Oh, Christ. Oh, that's right. Free up some space. Right, what am I doing? Just comparing. Why do you do it again? That's it. That's the way to do it. Just do them side by side now. Minimize that for a minute. To try and figure out. I still don't yet understand what's going on, like in relation to the map. Right, let's get it up and running as well, don't I? Of course. Why are we going to terminal up again? Oh, shit. Still getting used to WebStorm again. It's just starting. There we go. Over to us there. Oh, it's enter, innit? Oh, okay. Oh, it's just the test map again, isn't it? Yeah. This makes sense. I don't know what I can really make with this, but I do like the challenge of trying to make something, I guess. I mean, does it have collision? Does it have, I don't know, damage in it? Maybe I should just make, I don't want to just make a maze game because that's a bit boring. Okay, maybe there should be some action element. I'm not sure. I mean, this is, I like hacking around on projects like this because I can just figure out, sort of reverse engineer something someone else has done, basically. Which is, well, not all of it. Like, I'm not going to rewrite RayCast.JS. I'm just trying to figure out exactly how it works so that if I ever wanted to do anything like it, I've got the ability to do that. Because I've got the, I think if I could figure out what makes this room have a sky as opposed to the other rooms as well. That's going to be interesting to find out, because that's obviously got the sort of open space texture for the skybox, I guess. But none of this does. So why is that? I'll have a look at the. Well, this is just, the problem I think is that this is just incomprehensible. It's like, it just looks like literally like reading the Matrix or something. Okay, so I get like this is the direction of the texture. So what do I want? North facing. One. I mean, one seems to occur a lot, but more than anything else. 4. This is the part that's I'm struggling with. And it's not written into the engine, just the engine code. Like the dark. It's mostly me just talking so far. I'm thinking. I'm just trying to think. I don't know what to do. I just need to make start. Sorry, apologies for that noise. To just, I don't know. Maybe start from scratch. Really. I don't know what. 4, 5, 6, 7, 17 to 31. Just to work out quickly. 14. Wait, what? Is that right? $32. Okay, try something here. 9. I'm sure it'll click eventually, but at the minute I just don't get it how that works. No, like 4 makes sense. If I can just get something to render, then I'll be halfway there for understanding, or quarter at least. So if I do like 10. Could be 8. That's 10. And then do 9, I guess. Columns, is that the same? I don't know if that's the same. I don't know what this will actually render, probably nothing. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's see if that does work, see if it renders a thing first anyway. Okay, where's the... oh yeah. Ah, so do loading sport test. Let's try again then. So we'll be loading the modified map. Probably will be wrong though. We'll just crash like that. Okay. Get doors. I had this error before. Probably because it's out there. Ah! Map. Just need to figure that out. Ah, so this... everyone's at 10. Six. What's 9? 9. This is sort of hard to understand, really. Like, I get that I'm passing an array with like a multi-dimensional array of all these values, but I don't understand how that relates to the rendering of what's going on in the minute. So I assumed at first that like each number in the array represents, so like basically it's like a 2D representation of the map, right? But I can't figure out why. There's 9 there, but then where's any other 9? Where does that ever relate to any other number? So I'm just like I'm getting confused, to be honest. So there's there's 2 instances of 9. Are they on the same row? No, they're on different rows. I think there's a map editor coming for this RayCast.JS, but I don't know. Maybe I should go on something else for a little bit. Like I can do some asset swapping, basically. I'm gonna have. Well, I mean, yeah. I need to come up with more of an idea in the game as well. So I don't want to get too tied up on this map for now. So forget it. For now, just sometimes if you're struggling with something, it's best just to go on to something else again. I don't know if this is even going to support the ability to change maps. I mean, I guess it can. Well, I'll write that in there, but basically you just have to, I guess, load in this into the a new map into the canvas, but I don't know if that exists in the engine itself. Have a look at some of the code again, really. Close this panel for time. I'm just going to have a proper look at the source code, actually. Try and understand at least some of what's going on, basically. Because otherwise I'm just going to get too confused, I guess. So I'll just have a look at some of this. And there'll probably be a lot of this I won't understand. But I'll have a read through it then as well. Anyway, I guess. So, this is an implementation of the once popular 3D rendering technique known as road coasting. So, it's using games like Doom, Wolfenstein 3D. Offscreen framework. It's inspired by a programmer who goes by the name Javid X9. He's got a YouTube channel. I'll have to check that out. Fully texture map walls, okay. Alpha blending, it's all graphic stuff really. Yeah, that's the same as with Doom, innit? Diminished lighting. Doors, diagonal walls, free look. Player elevation, minimap display, okay. Canvas, just get that idea, okay. The stuff setting up the canvas. File structures, I guess. Yeah, for audio goes there, texture goes there, switch goes there, the obvious. Resolution 640 by 480. FPS, I think I modified that to be fine a bit more. I was just experimenting with modifying this basically yesterday, just to see what would happen. If you see on the other video, I was just seeing what changing any of these settings would do. Okay. Don't know what the key state means. What's that mean? It's 0. They're all 0. I mean, it's state, so I guess it's just an on-off maybe, but I'm not sure. Alright. No, this is all going to be achieved with programmatic tricks, I guess, right? But Ah, so got an assets. I guess I guess I guess the author wants people to modify the source code of this directly. I mean, I'm not going to. I'm assuming because I'd have to edit this file if I have to add. I mean, I'm assuming I had the actual assets for the shotgun and weapons and things here, so I'd have to do it here. I'd have to directly edit the engine code, I think. So I hope that's all right. I'm not sure. I've not contacted the author, but I'm assuming it's fine. I'm not gonna be. Sorry. Right. So door. I don't quite understand how doors are working as well at the minute. Animations. Look, there's a funny little comment there. JavaScript promises. I've not used promises for a while actually. I've not been doing like web application JavaScript programming for a while, so I can't. That seems a bit passive aggressive, that comment, doesn't it? Never heard of that. Low texture. Okay. Function. What's this functions game? Oh yeah, function resolver. This is hard to read in a way. Like I'm just, it's too much to absorb there. Okay, image on load function. Blah blah blah. Self utility. There's utility library somewhere. Get bitmap. Blah 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 blah. Width image width. Delete image. Load texture. Okay. Themes. So that's just the audio. So this audio references. So if I want to change the music, I guess I could just edit it there. And it's just got sweet. An error. Reject the promises again. No, global intervals. Cos sin cos. It's done for used for a lot of math to, I think, render the level basically. I would not want to mess around with that without knowing what I'm doing. Offset diagonal walls. Okay. Is it door number 4 then or something? V door. Just trying to figure out how this relates to the map thing. Oh, this is some utility code. I've never seen it right. I've never seen. I don't understand. Like my knowledge of JavaScript is not such that I understand how. Like, why is it like string function self? That's, I would not write it that way if I was going to write it, but it's just because I'm not familiar with that way of writing. I'm not necessarily saying it's wrong, but I don't understand why you'd have like a. I guess it's being referenced somewhere that's just a string, but I don't know why. Well, I'll quickly just look at scanning this really. Get intersect function. Woman, what the hell is this? I don't know any of that means. That to me is. That's like alien language. Like, vector cross. Numa. Yeah, none of this makes sense to me. Some collisions. Okay, I'm just absorbing this, trying to take it in. Yeah, this is a lot to absorb. It's too much for now. I'd have to have a long time to look at that to try and even begin to understand what's going on. Advanced traces. Yeah, look at this. There's a lot of advanced graphical trickery, I suppose. I don't know. Oh, hell. Okay, this is losing me. No, I can't. It's only halfway through it. Get doors. What's this? I guess that just fills a rectangle with something, whether it be a start X. It's just drawing the pixel, I suppose. Draw image. Yeah, it's just all right onto the canvas, isn't it? Directly, I suppose. Yeah, holy shit! There's a lot of thought's gone into this, actually, to be honest. But also, I don't know. I don't even know why I'm doing this. It's just a little project. I just want to. If I can just get a map done, I'll be happy. To be honest. I think the author of the repository said, the engine said that they are working on a map editor, so maybe that'll emerge soon. I don't know. I don't think it's released yet though, but yeah, that's definitely, I'd say, the main stumbling block I'm having so far into just getting into actually using the engine is the fact that I don't understand how to design a map. There's no instructions as well. Like there's no. We've got no. That's the readme I was doing for the whatever this hacky project is. But let's have a look on the latest updates. Maybe I'll just turn this down a second. I'll watch it. I don't know if I'll get copyright striked for. That's just a demo from. Oh, this is the author, by the way, Emre Akı. So I think I'll just end the video here, but the programmer is Emre Akı, I think. That's the dude there. But yeah, I just need to figure out how to use it. Basically, just experiment a bit more, I suppose. I want to be on that mode. Oh. Oh, it worked this time. Didn't work last time for something on a door thing error. This actually worked, so I did add. Is it loading this? I've actually. I look tiny though in comparison to everything. I think a tiny little man. Like I thought I'd. Is this loading the right map actually? Let's have a look. Oh, what a tune! Just listen to my sugar. Fantastic. Oh man. Oh. I think I'll leave this here. It's only been like half an hour. Let's leave it here. Anyway, adios, amigos.